Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? I hope you are okay. Yes, we are here to listen to Biafran Liberation Army Commander. He have a very important message to share, and I would like you to listen. But before then, subscribe to the channel if you are new, like the video, and comment. Let's go there.
Good evening, wonderful people of Biafra. Good evening, lovers of freedom. Good evening, Biafra supporters all over the world. This is another great day, and this day is to keep educating those who are very fully mindful of what we are doing. Because what we are doing is more spiritual than physical. Those with physical eye cannot see or understand what we are doing. And that is the reason, if you check it very closely, to those who claim they are fighting for freedom, that were not spiritually, fulfilled, or that were not sent, right now they are nowhere to be found. Because they are like chaff that breeze will blow away. That is why I'm here to remind those who still believe or think that they can bring Biafra struggle to an end. I want to bring this into their mind that they are learning work. They are just learning work. They never see anything. Let me tell you this. In case you don't know what is ideology, in case you do not understand what ideology is belief that have been programmed inside somebody that can never be changed. That can never be changed. The ideology that can never be changed. Okay? And when we say that Biafra is an ideology, it is just like a believer that believes in Jesus and heaven. It is just like a Muslim that believes in Allah and paradise. You're the same way they believe that if you fight for Allah, you have how many virgin? 14 that they will give to you. Do you understand that? It's the same ideology. Our own heaven is Biafra. And when we tell you we desire nothing except Biafra, you think we are joking. You cannot stop us. As I told you earlier, that Biafra is running in our vein. You know it already. It runs in our blood. It runs. It is the reason why we are alive. And it is the reason why we do what. All useless Fulani, idiotic and very useless, uneducated, just as their brain like cow shit. Cow shit. That believe that Osman Don Forum have conquered Nigeria to them, that Nigeria is their property. In the same way, we believe that our ancestors have never bowed down or being defeated by Osman Forum and Nigeria, which is Fulani and Yoruba, belongs to them, and then Biafra belongs to us, and nothing anybody can do. Nobody can take it away from us. They never born that person. As you have never in your life defeated our forefathers, so shall you can never defeat us. If you like, gang up. Let the whole world support you. The support of all the top war power. Ojugu single-handedly fought you and down. And yet, you could not win the war. You see, declare that war, no victory, no vanquish. Have you ever defeated our fathers? Idiotic Fulani, Shia Aboki, they make mouth. Do you think it's by making mouth? Have you ever defeated our father? How many war powers supported you? 1967 to 1970. How many war powers supported you? And yet you still not be able to win a very tiny people. And mind you, that time, the ideology, the brain behind creativities was not great like this. Talk less of this generation. Do you know who we are? Do you know who we are? You don't know anything. And when we tell you that Facebook, your time is counting down. Yes. If not this month, definitely it's going to be next month. Biafra Hub is coming. Very close. That is far better than Facebook. So where we will be using and dump you the same way we dump to go. We are going to dump you. As I prophesied to you before, that your platform will be down. Nobody will be use it again. Yes, because you are evil. The platform you created for social media, you allowed the zoo to buy you because of money. You decided to be corrupted. Now, have you heard Twitter again? Twitter are gone and gone forever. Can never come back. The same way you will go forever. You, Facebook. You will not even... I don't want to talk much. Good people of Biafrans, Facebook decided to cut me down for no just reason. It is my data. It is my phone. But they cannot decide to me what to talk because it is not them that bought me data. Nobody them buy data give me. Nobody them buy phone give me. So Facebook no go tell me what to talk and what not to talk. If you don't like it, get out. Very soon, I will abandon your platform for you. Okay? You will not see me in Facebook after this months and internet month. Immediately Biafra app is launched, I will abandon your nonsense, useless, idiotic, foolish platform for you, idiot. You think say we get time? When we tell you that Biafra must be restored, we mean it. So we will do everything possible, humanly possible. And if you think you can stop us, step aside now. Let's know what thing you carry. Nonsense. I told you, for those who were shouting, Biafra is dead and gone. Now your papa and your mama now then die and forgotten. Obasanjo Alpha now. Obasanjo Alpha. How many people that were making mouth that are no more? As we told you that all of you that have hand in kidnapping of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will go down. You think say with a joke. Peter and Ba have gone. Yes. The one who have gone. Ojuzo. Ojuzo Kalu. See, you people don't know anything, no. Now, Pete, this idiot, Ifeanyi Mba of Enugu, Abi Ebonyi. Enugu. I told him to warm up. There is a number. Tell him to warm up. All of you. The fate of this idiot called hopeless in all Imo State. His fate have warm up. Your days are numbers. All of you, one after the other, will be go down. You'll be going down. And then you understand that Biafra is not what you can toy with. In your next life, you never joke with Biafra. You thought that when you buy everything from DOS, that you have gotten everything. You don't know anything. Just the same way you think that you can use money, buy everything about Biafra. There are people that can never be bought with money. There are plenty. You know that it is not everybody that can be bought with money. You know that there are some who choose to die with dignity than to be. Have you soon forgotten what the songs our fathers sang? Everything about Biafra is compiled to that Biafra war song. Instead of me to be Sabo, I rather die and go. Instead of me to be Sabo, I rather die and go. This was their song. It is so peaceful, so lovely to die as a brave man than to be a betrayer and die as a betrayer. And die as a betrayer, because a betrayer remains a betrayer. Just the same way nobody would like to name his child Judas Iscariot just because Judas betrayed his master. Nobody want to name his child that name. Yes. Look at. Let me tell you something. One thing we know, our father taught us this. One thing we know is that a life of a betrayer can never be normal again until he dies. The guilt of what he did will keep haunting him. Look at just like DOS. The guilt of selling their master is still haunting them. The more they try to patch things up, the more they keep spoiling things for themselves, because that guilt will always be there. Look at a wife. I don't want to talk about that. Somebody that's supposed to be in the front protest, leading protest upon protest in England for the arrest of his husband, now always coming to radio to talk garbage. May God forgive you. You are not my topic this night. I don't have time for you. So, I'm here to ask Fulani question. Have you ever defeated our fathers? What make you think that the same you that fought our father with all the lies you cook against Ojukwu and get support from the war power and fought for 3 years and you could not defeat him, you could not defeat them, you could not defeat us, our forefather. Then with all the support of the war power, what make you think you can defeat us? Now that it is only some few Islamic nations that are in support of you. What make you think you can defeat us now that we have what it takes to destroy Nigeria beyond repair? What make you think that you can defeat us? You are just a very stupid and idiotic, just like your cow. Because you have a cow brain. Your brain will not tell you that these children are more dangerous than their fathers. Your brain will never tell you that. Let me tell you, we are more dangerous and deadly than our father. If you do not know this. So when we tell you that we have come to finish what our father started, we mean it. We have come to finish what our father started. May you know now, we always give you warning. We always do good to warn you ahead of time. Because we told you it's not going to be easy for you. Yes, we will never allow you to use us create history. It can never happen. So, and anybody that told you that sometime, somehow, somewhere, Biafra will succumb to you, tell that person to go sarcastic. Make him go check brain. No retrieve, no surrender. We will fight till the last man standing. And you know what it means. You know what it means. So Biafrans all over the world, especially those in Biafra land, I will always tell you to prepare for the heavy rain. Don't sleep and forget yourself. For a fact that this rain never starts in your place, you know mean say you no go reach your place. I will tell you the truth, nothing but the truth. So that you will not lose focus because of your businesses. Don't lose focus. Don't lose focus. Keep something to defend yourself. You know, these people are Boko Haram, Islam. Then just pack them, put, and send them come to East to kill anything killable. If you allow yourself to be an scapegoat, I'm sorry for you. Owe yourself. Because this land of Biafra must be defended at all costs. And the enemy of this land will tear race and run. Both saboteur and the master them brought inside the land of Biafra, all of them will run. And that's just as our great leader say, one day you will sleep in in Nigeria and wake up in Biafra is very, very close. That time, that prophecy is very close. You will sleep one day and wake up shouting Biafra. We are just one step for that. So do not lose focus. Open your eye very wide and monitor wherever the intruder are. But I told you that anywhere they mount roadblock, they have invited war in that domain. So everybody should be prepared. The war is shifting until the full-blown war will start. And while you are staying anywhere you are staying, you have to get ready and keep remaining focused, preparing yourself against December 2nd, 2024, which is in less than 3 months from now. Get some food items and get some weapon close to yourself. The duty call might reach you. This liberation army are fully prepared to defend the territory and the lives of indigenous people of Biafra by all costs. The only what we are begging of you is, in case any of these terrorists run away from crusade ground and enter your house, do not hesitate to call us so that it will be fully delivered from all his crime and evil and hand over him to Chukwu Kika Abiyama for proper judgment. That is what I have for you this night. I will keep reminding you until this rain begin to fall heavily, so that you will not lose focus. Finally, after this rain, there comes sunshine. The land of Biafra will rise and shine forever and ever. Remain blessed and good night.